Hey everyone, today we are at Motorama events. We are at the Farm Show Complex in Harrisburg, and if you're not familiar, Motorama is the largest indoor motorsports show in the country, and it happens right here in Harrisburg, PA, just down the road from CJ Pony Parts. We are here with Chris again. He also brought this beautiful Cobra with us, so he's going to tell us all about that. So, your make and model.
Hi. This is actually, I'm not sure what the year is, but it's a Fox body. I believe it might be a 79 or an 80. This is another friend of mine's car. The guy's name is Jeremy and his wife's name is Jamie.
Okay.
So Jeremy and Jamie, they've had it for years. I think it belonged to her uncle previously, and then she acquired it.
So cool.
So they wanted to go over the whole car and get everything done. So we ordered some floor pans from CJ's that had a little bit of floor issues in it, and fixed that up, and then went over the whole body, fresh paint, decals, and he had I think a local shop might have redone the wheels, the original wheels, all remilled and re-clear coated. But this car's been done for a few years now. I think it might be about 5 years ago that we did it.
So was this restored to original? Was that the goal of it?
Now, it might not be 100% perfect, but she just wanted it to be, you know, like
close.
She remembered it.
Yes,
you know,
absolutely.
When she was a little younger, yeah.
Yes, there's something very nostalgic about that.
Oh yeah,
yes,
yeah,
like
yeah.
that first car feeling.
Oh yeah, like that's how my uncle had it, my grandpa had it, and now it's mine, and I need it to stay like that. We love working on all of them. It doesn't matter which one you bring us, we put the same passion into every car.
Yes.
So, and if we can use CJ's for parts for what we're doing, that's our first call every time.
Awesome.
So, yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Chris.
You're welcome.
It's been great talking with you today.
Thank you.